was hoping to get this little maintenance equipment car in motion there, and yeah, look at that. How groovy is that, baby? Yeah, man. And I got a green signal in the other direction here. Coming down the line. Oh, is he moving or no? Just sitting there, right? Oh, sweet timing. Look at this. Here comes some rail equipment, but it looks like a tractor on rails. What? Come on. It's a fucking John Deere on rails. What? What's he doing? Sorry for the shaking. I'm really zoomed in here. Wow, that's interesting timing. Hey, this one goes to you, my friend Richard, who works for Canadian Pacific. Yeah. Looks like it's picking up the railroad ties, maybe, no? Wow, a tractor on rails. I've seen it all now. Oh man, that's fucking cool. I'd like to wait here a while, see if I can get him coming this way. That'd be really something. The plane. Okay, I'm zoomed in too much. Never mind now. Jesus, it's fucking muggy though. God damn it. Oh yeah, it's fucking picking up those ties or moving them. What the hell? The only thing that sucks when you're really zoomed in several feet like that, it's really hard not to shake the camera. Hey, look at this, man. Right on. Yeah, trim that shit. Cut it. Ah. Look at that. That's some pretty good timing there, eh? CN line there. Look at that. Like a tiller. Wow. And it's a tractor on top of that. That's weird. I've never seen a tractor on a CN line, and I saw a tractor, a John Deere on a CP line, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. Cool. Meep. That's why I heard Mr. Via Train Engineer ring his bell, more near sources, I think it was. Get rid of that excess growth, eh? Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. Trim it, trim it. Got it. Get rid of it. Back and forth, eh? Wow. Giant weed trimmer. Wow. Neat. Coolness. Look at that, good old GMC top kick, still at work for Canadian Pacific Railway. Right on. I don't know what they're doing here. They're working on them tracks. So it would seem. Yeah. Rail equipment there. Broken down BMW. I can't believe it. I've never seen that before. Check out that tractor there. A little bit different, huh? Well, you can tell that top kick don't go out too much. It's in great condition. I mean, the thing's from the 90s, you know? Right on. This is great. I love it when I film something that I filmed before, but at a different place, different view, you name it, weather. Sorry for shaking there, but again, I'm zoomed in here and I'm wearing these gloves. They're slippery. Oh, he's only got like 3 cars with him. Judging by that digger there, it looks like it's for a work truck.